Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. I will show one more event in console application. This is Auto-postback event, and suppose I have shows 8,000 in basic pay. If I press tab, it will calculate this two field automatically, DA and HRA. And this event is called Auto-postback of this field, that is text one field. And this is nothing but automatic calculating and the calculation given under this text field and shown in the returned in this text 2 and text 3. And further the total is added in the button calculate. Yes, it is calculating the sum of this above three field. So how this code is done, I will show it in behind this code. Now I will end this sorry, and I'll go to the my coding area. The page is default page, and this is basic field, this is the percentage, and this is HR and the total. And field the auto postback event is given is this property, that is the property is suppose the properties of this text box one is auto pushback, and this is true, that is it will execute the entire event within this text box. What are the events? Yes, see, on double click on this text science event. This is text science event. Suppose text box 1 have some values which is stored in a double, declared as a double variable, and types data types, and this data types double for B and double for C because this may hold the decimal value. And now the calculating value B is stored in A multiplied by 0.20, that is 20%, and C is multiplied by A of 6%, and this value is returned in the field of text 2 and in the field of text 3. Now the calculating field are ready because I have all the values of text 1 and text 2 and text box 3. Now that is this value is happen to be calculated on pressing the tab button, because I have made this auto pushback for the text 1 change is auto pushback. And the other total event is similar to the previous one calculation, that is calculate will this the values of all the text box field are transferred to the variable double variable M and O, and the total is given in the T one more variable, and this T value is represented and reflected in text box 4, that is so it is written as text box 4 dot text equal T dot to string, that is it is shown in the text box. So the execution of this two events is created, and one is bottom event, and the second one is the text box change event with auto pushback. So guys, I think you are understood by this small program for using the property of text box change event and with auto pushback through event, that is the text box property. This is text box, and the property of auto pushback is here. This is so once more I will run this with debugging button. Yes, it is doing, hence the screen is here, the page is here, the 45,000. Suppose the basic is, then I press tab, this field are automatically calculated, and on clicking calculate, the total will be calculated. Yes, it is done. Thank you guys for viewing this video, and if it is liked by you, click on the like button.